Welcome back. Another quick little shop mailbag, garage mailbag. These are carbon monoxide sensors I ordered from China. Now, I don't advocate trusting your life to carbon monoxide sensors from China, but in the grand scheme of things, they're better than nothing. I wanted them in here because I'm going to be running a diesel heater in here. I'll have a good one too, but I'll also test these out and see if they work. It's not too hard for me to check them. I do have carbon monoxide sensors, real ones. The MQ2 that does CO, I believe. And yeah, we could check them out and see, but there's two of them, just cheap. This is for an upcoming generator repair. This is a new fuel cap for it because the fuel cap was complete garbage, had a hole in the top. Well, this one also has a hole in the top, but this allows a remote reservoir on the Honda 2 kilowatt style generator, so handy dandy. Carburetor kits. These are standard 2-stroke carburetor kits. Fit mostly weed eaters, chainsaws, pretty much all the standard Zama style carburetor. So Home Light uses them, all Craftsman, Remington, all kinds of them. So handy dandy. Also got some recoil cord. This is one of the things that wears out on small engine stuff, and I'm always like I've gone to dollar store and used the rope that you can buy there in the camping section. It works just fine, but this is the right stuff. More carb kits, a little different style, but basically the same thing. Dirt cheap from China. There's the model number if you need it, but yeah. Okay, this is kind of neat. This is some heat shrink butt connectors, supposedly. I don't often use this sort of thing anymore. Now that I'm out of the Now that I'm out of the trade and time isn't really as much money, I'd rather take my time and do the job right. And oh, that's not what I expected. Those, I'll see if I can find the overlay of what these are. That is completely different than what I thought. That actually looks like it might even have a tiny bit of solder in there, that like low temp solder or something. I'm not sure. I've never used this before, so we'll give them a go. Not something I'm going to use very often. If you're in like a super rush, like I think you could probably heat these up with like a little small torch or a lighter, and therefore they might work good out in the field. Breather for that gas cap that I got. It's just a 2-cycle breather type thing. You just stick that on the breather on the gas tank, and it's just a little labyrinth to stop fuel from splashing out. More carb kits. Jeez. I remember I ordered a pile. Okay, this is yet another different style. This one's got all the Welsh plugs in there. This is a style that fits a whole buttload of different carbs. There will be multiple different pump stage diaphragms in there, and probably multiple metering stage diaphragms too. So just handy to have. Again, just search carburetor kit on eBay and you'll find those. Push clips. These are used on lots of automotive applications, but particularly my four-wheeler uses them, and they do pop out on occasion, and they don't work very well after when they've been torn. So you just push them through, push this down, and they'll hold your fender on or whatever. Speaking of those, I think my father-in-law borrowed my panel removal tool years ago and never seen it again. So these are panel removal tools, or removal tools for these push clips. You can just stick that in underneath and pop them up, but good for removing door panels on cars and stuff, this big one. And the small one is used for much smaller stuff, more of these body clips, so handy to have. More recoil rope with a handle on this one. More carburetor kits. All right, I'm gonna be the Mid-Canada distributor. These are yet again a different kit. They fit the same Zama style carburetors, but it's also got multiple pump stage, multiple metering stage, and looks like maybe multiple needles in them as well. Nope, just one needle. Some of them come with 2 different styles of needles, just in case, but yep, tons of them. Last up, 2 scrunches. These are used for chainsaws. I'm always trying to find mine. I have one on my belt at all times when I'm in the bush, but when I'm around here, I'm always looking for one, and I wanted one to live right back here on the workbench. That's it, guys. Good luck in all your ventures. I hope you like these little shop mail bags. They're kind of fun for me when all these goodies come in. That's probably going to be the end of these for quite a while. I got all the parts I need. Cheers, guys.